Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson, we have learned how to write vowel letters in Tulu. In this video, we are going to learn first 15 consonants in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. First one is Ka. Ka. Examples: Karumbu. Karumbu means sugarcane. Kabbu in Kannada. Akalu. Akalu means intellect. Prajne in Kannada. Sanka. Sanka means bridge. Sethuve in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ka. Ka. Okay, next one is Kha. Kha. This is the aspirated Ka used to write Sanskrit words. Examples: Khadga. Khadga means sword. Also Khadga in Kannada. Sukha. Sukha means happiness. Also Sukha in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Kha. Kha. Next one is Ga. Ga. Examples: Gajala Parandu. Gajala Parandu means dates. Kharjura in Kannada. Agapelu. Agapelu means separation. Agalike in Kannada. Apaga. Apaga means then. Avaga in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ga. Ga. Next one is Gha. Gha. This is the aspirated Ga sound used to write Sanskrit words. Examples: Ghanta. Ghanta means a bell. Also Ghante in Kannada. Sangha. Sangha means an association. Also Sangha in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Gha. Gha. Next one is Na. Na. Example: Banga. Banga means difficulty. Kashta in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Na. Na. Next one is Cha. Cha. Examples: Chanilu. Chanilu means squirrel. Alilu in Kannada. Chappe. Chappe means insipid. Sappe in Kannada. Yencha. Yencha means how. Hege in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Cha. cha. Next one is cha, cha. This is the aspirated cha sound used to write Sanskrit words. Examples: chadi, chadi means cunningness, vanchane in Kannada. Chadmavesha, chadmavesha means disguise or deceptive dress. Also, chadmavesha in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Cha, cha. Next one is ja, ja. Examples: jalla, jalla means an oar. Huttugolu in Kannada. Jakkelu, jakkelu means lap. Madilu in Kannada. Manjalu, manjalu means turmeric. Haladi in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ja, ja. Next one is jha, jha. This is the aspirated ja sound used to write Sanskrit words. Example: jhari, jhari means waterfall. Also jhari in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Jha, jha. Next one is nya, nya. Examples: tanyana, tanyana means leftover rice gruel. Tangulanna in Kannada. Kinya, kinya means small. Sanna in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Nya, nya. Next one is ta, ta. Examples: tappal dabbe, tappal dabbe means post box. Anche pettige in Kannada. Kalkata, kalkata means screaming. Kiruchata in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ta, ta. Next one is tha, tha. This is the aspirated tha sound. Examples: thane, thane means police station. Also Thane in Kannada. Matha, matha means mutt. Also matha in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Tha, tha. Next one is da, da. Examples: dakke bali, dakke bali, a special puja for Lord Naga. Tudaru, tudaru means a light. Deepa in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. D. D. Next one is dh. Dh. This is the aspirated dha sound. Examples: dhana dhana, dhana dhana, sound of bell. Nigudha, nigudha means secret. Also nigudha in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Dh. Dh. Next one is na. Na. Examples: panavu, panavu means money, hana in Kannada. Punname, punname means full moon day, hunnime in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Na. Na. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn remaining consonant sounds in Tulu. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.